The Council of Dread. The chamber of the Galactic Council was carved into a vast crystalline spire that seemed to pierce the sky. Dozens of species filled the circular hall, their voices rising in fearful waves. The Cthar Dominion had advanced another 3 systems, their fleet overwhelming every defense the Council mustered. Entire worlds lay in ruins, blackened husks spinning silently in space. The meeting was supposed to bring clarity. Instead, it brought dread. High Chancellor Varix, his scaled brow glistening under the light, struck the council podium with his staff. The voices fell to a hush. "We stand on the brink," Varix intoned. "The Dominion will not stop until we are ash and silence. We have exhausted strategies, spent fleets, burned resources. Nothing halts their tide." His slit-pupiled eyes swept the delegates. "We require alternatives." A heavy silence lingered. The word alternatives was a polite cloak for desperation. Ambassador Karyl, a tall insectoid whose mandibles clicked nervously, broke it first. "There is one option left. The humans." A ripple of murmurs swept the chamber. "The humans," scoffed Councillor Farrell of the Zyre Collective, his long fingers curling disdainfully. "The primitive newcomers? Barely a century in the stars. Their worlds are fractured, their politics chaotic. They lack discipline. Their biology is fragile. They would be slaughtered." "Perhaps," Karyl replied, clicking thoughtfully. "Yet reports from frontier skirmishes suggest otherwise. Human mercenaries fought at Vyar's edge. The Dominion expected easy victory, yet the humans resisted beyond all projections." Councillor Thaura, a crystalline being whose body refracted light into sharp prisms, leaned forward. "Resisted how?" Karyl tapped a control, and a holofeed flickered to life in the center of the chamber. Grainy footage from a battlefield filled the air. A scarred wasteland, Dominion artillery hammering trenches. Alien soldiers crouched in terror, their formations collapsing. And yet, amid the chaos, humans were visible. They were not grim, not silent. They were laughing. One soldier ducked as an explosion sent dirt flying, then shouted something over his comms that made the others chuckle. Another began humming loudly while fixing a jammed rifle. A group of them slapped each other's shoulders, grinning as though sharing some private joke, even as shells landed yards away. And somehow, impossibly, their unit held the line. The chamber erupted in disbelief. "This is lunacy," Councillor Farrell snapped. "They mock death itself." "Precisely,"